When cutting complex layouts with small parts, especially on thin materials, there's a risk of pieces tipping or moving. This can disrupt the entire cutting process and damage your work. To solve this, you can use microjoints. These are small tabs that keep parts securely attached to the main sheet during cutting, ensuring everything stays perfectly in place until you're ready to remove it. To get started, navigate to the Cam tab. In the Contour group, you'll find and click the Microjoint button. This opens the microjoint settings. First, define the joint's width, which determines the size of the connecting tab. You can also precisely control the let-in and lead-out paths, which ensures a smooth cutting approach around the joint. Next, choose the joint's position on the part. For best results, place joints on straight edges. Now, simply select the contour where you want to add the joint. And just like that, the microjoint is instantly created. It's placed precisely where you need it, ready to secure your part during the cut. After cutting, these small joints break away cleanly with pliers or a simple deburring tool. Using microjoints is a quick step that provides a huge boost in cutting reliability, preventing costly errors, and ensuring your parts come out perfectly every time.